So down here is my Pulsar 2300. We're going to add some fuel to it. Let's take a look at the hour meter. You can see that I haven't ran it any yet. 0 hours. I've got a fuel can over here. So I'm going to add some fuel to it and fire it up for the first time. That's probably about half a gallon of gas. We'll turn this vent to on. Turn economy mode off. Choke on. Let's reposition the camera just a little bit. Let it run for about 10 minutes or so, and then I'll put a load on it, a small load. I got my timer started. It's just a little bit higher pitch sound than a Honda EU 2200 or EU 2000. 10-minute timers went off, so we'll go ahead and apply about a 900 watt load. I took a closer look at the heater, and it's actually 1100 watts on its low setting, so I turned the heater on and then let it run at that setting for about 10 minutes for some more break-in time. The 10-minute timer is up, so we're going to go ahead and turn off the load and let it run at idle speed for a while. I think I'll do that for 10 minutes. Three seconds left. We're going to go ahead and run it up to a little bit of a load again. I'll turn on the 900 watt function of the space heater. In my next video, I'll do a side-by-side sound comparison of the Pulsar 2300 to an EU 2000 generator that I've had for a few years. One of the first things I noticed about the generator is that it makes a higher pitch sound, and that higher pitch makes the sound just a little bit more annoying than a Honda EU 2000.